In the golden grasses, where the pride has ruled 4 generations, an old tale is remembered by those who walked these plains before us. A tale of the silent hunter who wears no crown, yet fears no king. The python, patient as stone, coiled and unseen, waits in the shadow of the acacia roots. When a lion cub strays from the safety of its mother's flank, the serpent's ancient law takes hold. Strike without warning, hold without mercy. But the pride does not forget its own. As the python's coils tighten, the roar of the lionesses rises. Across the savannah, sisters and mothers converging, teeth and claws answering scale and muscle in a struggle as old as the land itself. This is the story elders told around dying fires, of the crawling shadow that steals the young, and the golden guardians who refuse to let the story end there. A retelling inspired by traditional folklore surrounding pythons and lions in African oral tradition, brought to life through cinematic wildlife imagery, where ancient legend meets the raw drama of survival on the savannah.
In a galaxy far away, where stars shine bright, I'm the chosen one. Ready for the fight, with my Jedi powers, I'll defend what's right. Galactic hero, I'm the beacon of light. With my lightsaber, slice through the dark, battle droids and Sith Lords, leaving my mark. With the Force on my side, I leave them in shock. Galactic hero, I control every spark. I'm the galactic hero, the legend lives in space and time. I'll eternally dwell. I'll save the universe from all the darkest of fears. Galactic hero, I'll wipe away all the tears. In a galaxy far away, where stars shine bright, I'm the chosen one.